So in my experience, everything has been beneficial so far. I get good feedback from my students. I also have to maybe note that my overall evaluations have increased since I've implemented those practices. And the way how I do this, I just every semester I essentially apply a little bit more. So it's really not about the large changes at once, which is usually very overwhelming, and also for me. It's really about the small changes. Like in the first semester, I worked really on my communication. How do I communicate with students about successes or failures, in exams, which is always something where it's a little bit difficult. How do I stand my ground while at the same time giving them a good feeling about that they can still perform well in the class? And then this semester, I really focused on redesigning my entire 436 course, and I implemented things like the assessment wrappers, where you really do a reflection after the midterm or after any assignment that you feel like students should reflect on. And that really helps students to understand how they can prepare better for the next assignment. So kind of formalizing this idea of how can I communicate to my students that even if they maybe didn't perform as well on the current exam, how they are going to be better on the next exam by just showing them those are, kind of maybe something that you can reflect to me. What could I improve in preparing you? But then also, what could you improve in terms of studying?
One thing that I'm working on this semester is to work on how to give a feedback better. Not just timely, but kind of effective feedback giving. And there's a model for that in this SEP called WISE feedback. And I'm trying to go through that document and then learn about it. So one of the interesting thing about that, when you give a survey, SEP as the Ascend survey gives you a report, and report has a link to a document that tells you how to improve your teaching on this particular aspect. So that's another very handy way of understanding, oh, I have more room for improvement here. These are the steps I can take. Let's try it. Let's make sure you take note of it and then see how effective it is. And this whole kind of a system makes that kind of consistent approach possible.
Honestly, Sarah and Cuneo actually, said it perfectly. That's exactly, I was thinking in terms of assessment wrappers. That's definitely something that I've implemented more this semester. And in terms of even thinking in terms of how I'm presenting some material in class. For example, now I'm using live captions in PowerPoint, something that some of the conversations I'd had with students from some of these surveys kind of led to me being able to provide that for students as we're going through material in class. They can now see that, how to spell that really strange biochemical word that I just used. And it's been really great for the students. I've had great feedback on that. But yeah, really, really kind of being able to name those things and assessment wrappers have really been golden for me.